Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to change border type of a button in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and I have simply added a button widget in this section. Right now, to edit the button, you just need to move your cursor over the button and you will find a pen icon in the top right corner. You need to click on that, and when you click on that, in the left side toolbar you will find content setting, style setting and advanced setting. Right, so we are just moving to the style setting as of now, and in the style setting you will find the border type. Right now it is default. You can change it to solid. You can increase the border width so that you can see the changes, right? And you can also change the border color to be whatever you want. Okay, so this is the solid border type. You can change it to double as well, you can change it to dotted as well, or you can change it to dashed as well, or you can change it to groove as well. So these are some border type that you can add to your button in Elementor. So this is how you can simply add border type to your button in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you're interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.